Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone mirroring not working and time out error in iOS 18 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1, restart your iPhone. First, restart your iPhone, then enter your passcode to unlock your device. Now lock your iPhone using side button. Now reinitiate the mirroring connection from desktop app. Don't unlock your iPhone while it's pairing and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is enable rotating private Wi-Fi address on both devices. Simply tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on blue icon. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on private Wi-Fi address. Select rotating. Do some on your Mac. Tap on rotating and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is turn off VPN. Tap on setting app. Tap on general. Scroll up. Tap on VPN and device management. Tap on VPN. If VPN is connected, disconnect it and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is disable and enable Bluetooth on iPhone and Mac. Tap on setting app. Tap on Bluetooth toggle off and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle on. And problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset network setting. Tap on setting app. Tap on general. Scroll up. Tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset setting. Tap on reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact whisper.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix iPhone mirroring not working and timed out error on iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.